alternator swap on your second gen Cummins. Remove your ground wires from both batteries and your air filter over there. Then you're going to stick a ratchet on your tensioner and slip your belt off. And you got one bolt there, 2 bolts up there. Or I think that might be one big bolt. And then you've got a plug-in connector on the back of your alternator, as well as one bolted connection that you'll have to pull off. And that is that. There's our barely 3 months, maybe 5,000 mile alternator. And now we're off to the parts store, like 40 miles away almost, to go warranty it, because all 3 Advanced Autos in town do not have one. Now we have our nice new alternator, warranted for free. Time to toss it back in there. And there we go. We are charging at the full 14 volts, even at a not even fully warmed up idle. Before this, it was clear over at the bare minimum mark, if not dipping way lower. One time it went all the way to 0 and the truck almost completely shut off. So I would say we are good and fixed. The new batteries plus the new alternator should do us good for our Texas trip that we are leaving for in 2 days. We are headed to Lone Star Throwdown down in Conroe, Texas. Then we are headed up to Jamestown, Tennessee. And then we are looping back through Missouri for a truck reveal before we make it all the way back to Denver. Thanks for stopping in. Hopefully that was kind of sort of helpful, slapping your alternator in and out if you need to do the repair yourself. And do subscribe, and look forward to next video.